Landscape with a Carriage and a Train is an oil painting by Vincent van Gogh that he painted in June 1890 when he lived in Auvers-sur-Oise, France. Background: Van Gogh spent the last few months of his life in Auvers-sur-Oise, a small town just north of Paris, after he left an asylum at Saint-Ary-Écoute-My in May 1890. He made the painting in the week following his portraits of Dr. Gachet. The viewpoint from above was a favorite perspective of his since his days sketching in the dunes of Scheveningen at The Hague with the aid of a perspective frame. Van Gogh described the painting in a letter to his sister Will. The painting is in the collection of the Pushkin Museum of Fine Arts, Moscow. Works, letters, bibliography. Delphi, Jacob Bart. The works of Vincent van Gogh. His paintings and drawings. Amsterdam, Moilenhof. 1970. ISBN 978-1-55660-811-7. Hulsker, Jan. The Complete Van Gogh. Oxford. Phaidon. 1980. ISBN 0-7148-2028-8. Nyfair, Stephen. Smith. Gregory White. Van Gogh. The Life. Profile Books. 2011. ISBN 978-1-84668-010-6. Van der Veen. Wouter. Knapp. Peter. Van Gogh in Auvers. His Last Days. Monticelli Press. 2010. ISBN 978158093-301-8.